Hello everyone, welcome to NTD Official. Today I have you how to plot drawing AutoCAD to PDFs. Okay. So I have a drawing foundation. Now how to plot AutoCAD to PDFs. Okay, so the first you press Ctrl P. Continue. Now select printer PDFs. AutoCAD to PDFs. Okay, and then select the paper size. Example, I bring A3 papers. Okay, ISO A3, and then plot style table. Plot style table. You select mono. Okay, yes. So your plot scale tick fit to base center, and plot area select window and select window, and then preview. Okay, so click right up mouse and select plot. Select folder save. For example, I select desktop. Okay, new folder. Okay, drawing 1, save. Okay, so this is PDF drawing. I upload AutoCAD to PDFs. Okay, very easy. Okay, so this video to the end here. If you feel this video helpful to you, you can please subscribe and like to share this video to everyone. Thank you so much.